So first of all, let me give you a warm welcome on my YouTube channel, and I'm so thrilled to have you here. So Karishma, how are you?
Yes, I'm doing really great. Thank you so
Mhm.
much for asking. You tell me, how are you? What's going in your life?
See, everything is fantastic, hunky dory. I would say there is a beautiful phrase in English. Yesterday only I learned, another day, another dollar. The same old, the same
Okay.
old, the same old, the same old, nothing special. And what I like the most, that you are punctual. You are not on time, you are in time, right? So let me ask you
Yes.
this question. Let's just start in that way, because I don't want to go for the introduction, because everyone knows you, right? So tell me, what is the definition of punctuality in your life? Are you a punctual person?
I am really very punctual, I must say that, because I feel that if you are punctual, you are automatically disciplined. If you
Hmm.
create a schedule for your next day, but what if you're not punctual? How will you follow all the tasks which you
Mm-hmm.
have written in your notepad? So I think punctuality gives the direction for the whole day, that this is how you
Yes.
have to do things.
Yes.
But because of kids, that it's not
Yeah.
really possible all the time, but I
Mm-hmm.
try most of the time that if I
Mm-hmm.
can, I should
Mm-hmm.
be punctual. Yes.
Yes, yes, yes. Love it, because I'm also a punctual person. For me, punctuality is not all about in time and on time. Punctuality is, your commitment towards your responsibility and
Commitment.
duties,
Yes.
right? So this is
Right.
punctuality, because I'm an organized person. So do you plan your day when it's come to punctuality?
Yes, I always plan my day. Earlier, what I used to do, I used to write it on my
Ah,
mobile phone and notepad. But
yes.
now I don't write exactly, but everything is there in my mind, that
Wow.
what I have to do this time, what
Uh-huh.
is next. I
Mm-hmm.
mean, the whole day is actually planned, and I go as per the routine. But sometimes
Mm-hmm.
when I see that if I have a leisure time of around 30 minutes, 40 minutes,
Mm-hmm.
I even try to utilize that in
Mm-hmm.
somewhere in my official work.
Mm-hmm.
So yes, that's what
Yeah,
I do.
in that way, I would say you're a high octane personality, because you have a lot of energy. Like you just said, that everything is in your brain. You need not to write it down or jot it down. So do you prepare your brain, or you train your brain for that to
It's
sync
been 10
everything?
years though. No, it's been 10 years of my marriage, and I
Mhm.
feel that maturity comes after marriage only because until you get married, you cannot be that much punctual and responsible because you understand everything. For example, there was no such pressure before marriage that you have to prepare food, you have to send your kids and all. Now that is automatically coming and you automatically become punctual. You know what? Now I
Mhm.
do not need any alarm. I every day put my alarm at 6:30, but I wake up at 6 o'clock. Automatically there is the signal goes to my mind and I wake up at like 6 o'clock, and then I feel happy that I have still 30 minutes that I can relax
Mhm.
in my bed and think about it and whatever I want to do. So I
Yeah.
get up from my bed at 6:30, but
Mhm.
my brain, it has already wake me up in the morning 6 o'clock. So
Ah,
when you do something on regular basis, it is
basis.
so much inbuilt in your memory that it is automatically happening. Now you don't need to
Mm.
put any effort also. Even on
Mm.
Sundays, I get up at same time and I feel sometimes frustrated. I mean, I always put my alarm off during
Mhm.
weekends, but
Mhm.
because of this habit, I get up early all the time.
Yeah, lovely, lovely. Small habits play a significant role in our life. I know these are very
Yes.
tiny. हैं कहते हैं अरे बड़ी छोटी छोटी सी आदत है क्या ही फर्क, but there is a phrase in English also, a stitch at a time save nine. If you solve your small problems, it will not become blunder in future. तो छोटी छोटी चीजें
Right.
जब आप अपनी लाइफ में डालते हैं, बहुत इम्पैक्ट डालती हैं. It will lead
Right.
your remarkable changes in your life. I just said that, right? You don't need
Yes.
any alarm in your life. Same here, I wake up in 4:30. I do not need any kind of alarm, because my brain is trained for it, my body, my soul is trained for it, because
Mm.
I'm a very high personality and high octane, as I said, that firecracker I have, every time, because I need to give value to myself. That's clear in my head. If I'm not giving value to myself, then I will not happy. I will not make
Ye-
other people happy, right? If you are gratified, satisfy you off, then only you can, give the best outcome, right? And
Yes,
positive
that's
anticipation lead to positive outcome. Do you believe that?
yes, I do believe in that. But first of all, I want to know that you wake up 4:30. Why too early?
See, I do yoga, meditation, dance, and everything. I need everything. If I'm not doing it, I feel like my day is incomplete. अरे कुछ खो गया है.
Mm.
Something is missing in my day. Just to keep
Okay.
myself fit as fiddle. मुझे fit रहना बहुत पसंद है, and I'm suffering from hypothyroid, जिसमें weight बहुत ज्यादा gain होता है.
Hypothyroid is the
Hy-
cause of weight gain.
yes, there are two type of
I
a
don't.
hypothyroid. There are two type of a hypothyroid. One is, there you lose your weight, and another is to gain the weight. And I am suffering from to gain the weight.
Okay, but no, you lose a lot of weight actually. If I compare it with the last
Haha,
time, it is
yes.
a drastic change.
Hmm. Yes, yes,
Yes,
yes.
that's
I love to keep myself slim and trim.
that's nice. Even I am focusing too much on that
Yeah.
aspect of life because I also get that high BP issue these days.
Oh.
So I'm trying to change my lifestyle because
Mm-hmm.
since I'm foodie, I used to eat a lot of junk, but now I'm
Mm-hmm.
changing my habits little bit.
Mm-hmm.
I'm trying, and it might give me a good result maybe.
Definitely, definitely. You need to just, as we were talking about small habits. If you will go with a small
Hmm.
habit, today you are not eating this much. Okay, next day you will not. So in that way, you will continue with the process. And later on, after 1 week, you will say, "Oh God, I control everything." That kind of a urge and the craving we have, I control somewhere down the line, right?
Right. And
Okay.
what time you go to sleep?
9 o'clock.
And your kids, do they sleep at 9?
Yes, yes.
Wow.
Kids are like monkey brain. Monkey see, monkey do. जैसा वो देखेंगे वैसा वो ही करेंगे. Even I do not
That's
watch
amazing.
television. I do not watch television at my home. Not at all. It's been years.
Oh my God,
Not
that's
even
amazing.
mobile. Not even mobile. That web series because they glorify violence. I don't like violence and everything. The foul language.
Mhm.
Okay. So at
Okay.
my home, we all are following the discipline. But what discipline is that we feel like a cage into it? No, not like that.
Right.
We have that elbow room. We are giving the
Oh,
privacy to all, right? So this is a kind of a discipline we are following. We are not feeling like bande hue hain, like somewhere down there's something is forcing on our head. Not like that. So this is, I feel, is a beautiful habit, right? And I have inculcated at early age in my kids, like we
that's
were
amazing.
talking
It's a
about
good
the
habit.
habits, right? Yes. So now let me ask you one more question. I would like to pose a very beautiful question, if I may ask, that who is Karishma Chauhan? Is she is she is she outspoken? Is she bold? Or is she like a timid person, and mold her personality according to situation and responsibility? Who is Karishma Chauhan if you define yourself?
I think I'm not timid at all.
Mhm.
I don't afraid. I'm outspoken and bold, I can say that. And I gain or I build that kind of personality over the years because of my background, I can say.
Oh.
Every person has a kind of background or their surrounding.
Mm-hmm.
And what they become, that is most influenced because of the
One
background
and one.
only.
Yes.
I could say that I was a kind of responsible person since the childhood. I was so young when I used to do all kind of work related to, I
Mm-hmm.
mean, when I was only 7 years old, I used to go to market and buy
Oh,
things for my home.
7 years
And it's
old.
quite a young age. Yeah.
Yes.
I used to bring milk,
Mm.
vegetables.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I also used to fill those water bottle. I mean, there was this problem of water at my home
Mm-hmm.
because I'm from a middle class family. So I have seen that kind of struggle. Because
Mm-hmm.
of seeing that struggle and being responsible from a young age, I feel that I'm quite outspoken. I don't
Mm-hmm.
hesitate sharing my point of view.
Mm-hmm.
Even if somebody is in front of me, I feel like that whatever I feel, I would like to say it in front.
Mm-hmm.
And I don't hesitate, but obviously
Mm-hmm.
it's not. Sometimes you have to keep your emotion inside you. You cannot
Yes.
hurt somebody just by
Yes.
saying anything like that.
Mm-hmm.
So I feel that I'm not timid, not at all.
Mm-hmm. So
I
outspoken, you can
consider
say
myself a
bold personality.
brave person. Brave or bold, yes, I can say
Yes,
that.
brave and bold. Yes, same here. I'm also bold and brave personality. But on the other hand, I'm a Zen also because I listen a lot, and I do not react immediately. I think
Okay.
twice. Huh? I think twice because earlier I was not like that. Earlier I was a bold personality, like someone is, saying something, I'm ready to lash out, not letting them to speak in front of my. But now I'm somewhere down the line. I'm settled. My emotions, everything is settled just because of my husband, because my husband is like that. His quality
Mhm.
rubbed off on me, and I became a Zen personality. But when I
Mhm.
need to raise my voice, definitely I raise my voice. But what I feel, if you are a bold personality, like if I'm a bold personality, you are a bold personality, it does not mean that we are ready to humiliate or discriminate, right? We are not into that process. So do you believe that there's a slight difference just by a whiskers between bold personality and being disrespectful.
Yes, there's a difference definitely, and one should understand that.
Mm-hmm.
If you're outspoken, doesn't mean that you will say in front of somebody that you are a battameez person or a shameless person. You can't say that.
Yes,
Even
yes,
if you're feeling that some person is like it, you can just create a distance.
yes,
That is the main thing which I think people should do.
yes, yes,
Instead of putting yourself in that kind of position or situation again and again, you should create a distance with that person. It's not necessary every time to speak,
yes,
necessary. Especially, I think people feel offended when somebody is very near and dear ones and they say something wrong. Then
yes.
they feel offended. If any other person is saying, it doesn't actually make an
Mhm.
impact on their mind. That's what I feel.
Yes,
But
yes.
there's a difference between disrespectful and outspoken. We
Being
should not
bold personality.
we shouldn't
Yes,
mix
yes.
them.
I
Yes.
feel so. I can see eye to eye that, if someone is, disrespectful towards you, just maintain your dignified distance. That's all. It's
Yes.
not necessary
Yes.
to be part of loose talk, loud mouth. बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है. Do not pay so much interest,
Yes.
those heed to them because they are worthless. Not that
Yes.
much
Creating
important.
distance is a great
Yes.
thing which we can do. Yes,
Yes.
that's
So
true.
now I would like to another question I have. Very beautiful question. Life, right? Because I don't want to talk about English, right?
Even
बहुत
I
हो
don't
गया.
want.
मैं थक
Even
चुकी
I
हूँ
am tired.
seriously. It's got,
Yes.
I got enough of that English questions. So now I
Yes.
have another question that life, we all have beautiful life. You have, I have, right? And we have been as a mother, as a no, we are women, right? And we have been playing multiple characters, right? We have been carer, we have been protector, we have been lover. But what I like the most is survivor. As a mother, as a woman, I like the most this thing, right? In quality, because we all have this beautiful quality. So when it's come to the life, what is life for you?
See, life is the amalgamation of a few things. It is not
Mm-hmm.
only about living your life happily.
Mm-hmm.
No. For example, I'm on that stage of life where I'm getting love from my kids as a
Mm-hmm.
mother,
Mm-hmm.
a love from my husband as a wife,
Mm-hmm.
and as a daughter-in-law. So I feel that life is complete when you live every moment of your life
Yes, indeed.
happily with satisfaction.
Yes,
Happy, I think it's not a great word. Satisfaction is very important.
it's very important.
If
Yes.
yes, if you're living your life but not satisfied, then what is the meaning of living that kind of life? You are just,
Yes.
always you have that problem in your mind. You are not getting that peace of mind. So
Mm.
what is it? So I think life is very precious. We should make it
Yes.
beautiful. We should ignore
Yes.
few things and we should, learn things from it. Because
Mm-hmm.
more the more exposure we get into different ages of life,
Mm-hmm.
we become wise actually. This is what I
Yes.
have noticed.
Yes.
Because when I was 20, I did not have that kind of opinion which I have right now. It has
Mm-hmm.
changed over the time. And why it has been changing? Because I am growing, I am learning, I am experiencing life. So I
Hmm.
think it's a long life process. You can just learn from experience and be happy, be satisfied, be content.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes. Very well said that I like that point. You need to be satisfied. Yeah.
Hmm.
Satisfaction is very important, right?
Yes.
And if you are talking about the success and the happiness, it doesn't matter if you're not satisfied, right? So just
Right.
be satisfied in your life, whatever you have, because life is not all about finding yourself. Life is all about creating yourself, growing in the life. That is most important imperative, I would say. Okay. Well
Right.
explained, very well explained. So now I have another question is spinning in
Yes.
my head. It's spinning in my head. Let me just take it out. So see, we all have fear. मुझे भी डर लगता है, and of course करिश्मा को भी डर लगता ही होगा, है ना? अगर मैं ये कहूँ, if I say that I do not have fear, that means that's moonshine. ये बकवास है सब. ठीक है, मुझे भी डर लगता है. Because I've been asked multiple times, ma'am, you are a confident person. अरे भाई मुझे भी डर लगता है. I also feel, right? So now let me ask you this question. Then how do you deal with your fear? जब आपको डर लगता है तो हाउ डू यू, मतलब कैसे डील करते हो आप? व्हाट इज योर
I
स्ट्रेटेजीज और मेथड,
simply
आइडियोलॉजी?
face it. Simply face it. That is the
यस.
only solution to overcome it.
Mm-hmm.
If you keep fearing of particular thing but not try to indulge yourself into that thing, you may not overcome it. So the most
Yes.
important thing is that whatever fear you have to keep it in your front. For
Yes.
example, as I said, in the beginning when I was learning English, I had that fear of speaking with the tutors. I mean, clapping for tutors, English
Mm.
tutors. I used to feel afraid, maybe because I was not good in English. I'm still not good at English. I'm
No, no,
trying to
no.
be.
Please see,
But
let me interrupt you here. I'm so sorry to interrupt you here in between, right? Do not sell yourself in front of my nose. अब मेरे सामने please मत बोलिए. You are good at English, right? Because when you are holding the conversation like wow, confidently, right? So I believe you don't need any explanation from Tom, Dick, Harry. कौन है भाई?
no, but still, I
Yes.
mean, people even sometimes I receive the kind of comments that, ma'am, now you should work on your vocabulary and you have to learn
No,
advanced English. Now I'm not getting
no.
from last few months, but usually I used to get these kinds of comments. I used to feel that I need kind of improvement, and actually, everybody needs improvement in life.
Yes,
You
yes.
have to keep improving. You can't learn particular things and sit at one place. You have to keep moving, and for that, you have to keep gaining that kind of experiences all the time. So that
Hmm.
is very what I
Yes.
was talking about, I forgot.
Fear,
What
fear.
was
You
your
were talking about fear that you
fear?
need to face.
I just try to face all my fears. Even if I'm feeling, I mean, sometimes it used to happen that I had butterflies in my stomach and I
Uh,
still talking with the person,
hmm,
try to look at other person's
yes,
eye
yes.
confidently, try to use my hands. I mean, you
Hmm.
can say that it was fake because I
No,
want to really want to gain that confidence and really want to remove that fear from my life. So
hmm,
initially, this is how everybody has to begin. Initially, you
yes,
have to be.
yes. You know, very well said. You need to face your fear. Until unless you are not facing your face, that means you will not be come out from that zone, and you will be lost in the sauce. When it's come to the vocabulary, as you said, that people give me the comments like, "Ma'am, you need to learn some vocabulary." Let me just clear that this thing once for all. You know, simple language brings more clarity than the fancy word.
Yes.
Just sink in your brain, my dear viewers. सिंपल इंग्लिश की जो ब्यूटी होती है वो आपको फ्रेजेस और इडियम में नहीं मिलेगी, right? Why am I saying it? Because I have a proof. in india in India we use colloquial language, simple language हम use करते हैं, right? On top of, if you have interest to learn vocabulary, idiom, phrases, go for it. The world is your oyster भाई, ये दुनिया आपके कदमों में है, आप सीखिए, कोई आपको मना नहीं कर रहा है, right?
Right.
Flaunt कीजिए, but think that, just keep this in your brain, who is sitting in front of me, right? That person is a
Right.
beginner, intermediate, advanced hai.
Hmm.
If that person has that capability to understand advanced, go for
Understand.
it. जैसे मैंने बोला, द वर्ल्ड इज योर ऑयस्टर, जाइए भैया, बात कीजिए, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। लेकिन ये
Right.
चीज ध्यान में रखिए कि सिंपल वर्ड्स ब्रिंग मोर क्लैरिटी देन द फैंसी वर्ड। आई एम यूजिंग इट बिकॉज आई एम हैबिचुअल ऑफ इट, and I know that you have the capability and caliber to understand each and everything. That's why I am using,
Right. Right.
right?
Right.
On top of, I have interest.
Yes.
मेरा इंटरेस्ट भी है, इसलिए मैं
Self-interest
सीखती हूँ।
is very important. If you
Very
have
important.
self-interest, you learn things automatically. You don't need to push
Yes,
yourself. That
yes,
happens.
yes, yes. And like we were talking about the fear, I have created a, short form of fear. Face everything and rise. F for face everything and rise. Forget everything
Okay.
and run away. Forget everything, run away. Now the ball is in your court, viewers. What kind of a definition you want to choose in your life? Face everything and rise, or
Everything and
forget
run.
everything and run away.
The first one is good.
Yes, very nice. And I think let's just, it was really beautiful conversation. I don't want to make it prolonged, right? Just
Okay.
precise, beautiful. And it was really, I felt ineffable joy to connect with you again, because this is third time I'm connecting with you. And lovely, lovely, lovely. And thought provoking, heart captivating, and not English nahi tha.
Yes,
So that was
even
the
I
great
enjoyed
part.
this short
Hmm.
conversation. Thank you so much for inviting me here on your channel. I'm really glad to be here today.
Just